नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी, गाजियाबाद एनसीआर दिल्ली, ओम सच्ची जनवानी, द ट्रूथ स्पीक्स चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, 1 सेकंड खर्च होगा, हमारी मदद होगी। वीडियो को शेयर करें ताकि ऑल रिटायरीज तक जाए, मोटिवेट मोबिलाइज करें रिटायरीज को, हमारे इशूज़ व्यूज़ और न्यूज़ प्रोपोगेट हों और रिटायरीज तक जाएं, ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी, ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज तक जाएं, गवर्नमेंट तक जाएं और उन पर एक्शन हो सके। बात करेंगे कॉम्पिटिशन के संबंध में। कॉम्पिटिशन में मिस्टर गोचवाल हैं, जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं पीएनबी एसोसिएशन के ऑफिसर्स के, और शोखरन प्रसाद हैं, ये भी जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं AIPNBRA के। और इन्होंने एक लेटर लिखा है ज्वाइंट, और एक कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ पीएनबी रिटायरीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन्होंने बनाया है, और AIPNBROA और AIPNBRA को संगठित करके। अच्छा, ये इन्होंने लेटर लिखा है मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर CEO पंजाब नेशनल बैंक्स कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस, और प्लॉट नंबर 4 सेक्टर 10 द्वारका न्यू दिल्ली, इसको लिखा है कॉम्पिटिशन के ऊपर। और हमने भी कई लेटर लिखे हैं, लेकिन इसी तर्ज पर भी हम एक लेटर लिखेंगे, अभी लिख नहीं पाए हैं, समय नहीं मिल पाया। ये कहते हैं, डियर सर, रिगार्डिंग रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ कमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ पेंशन आफ्टर 10 years इंस्टेड ऑफ 15 years, ऑनरेबल पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट ऑन 31st May 24 स्टेट रिकवरी आफ्टर 10 years इन सम केसेज ऑफ रिटायर्ड एम्प्लॉइज ऑफ यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। इसके ऊपर इन्होंने लिखा, मैंने आपको बताया था पहले भी कि ये स्टे हो गया और 10 साल के ऊपर, और बाकी इंट्रीम स्टे ऑर्डर है, बाकी जब केस की सुनवाई होगी जो भी फाइनल ऑर्डर होगा वो अलग है। तो ये कहते हैं, वी शुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग द फॉलोइंग फैक्ट्स टू योर काइंड नोटिस विद रिगार्ड टू द रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ committed amount of pension after 10 years of your consideration, please. As per the extant pension regulation 1995, committed pension is restored after 15 years from the date of withdrawal of the committed amount. This period is 15 years is arbitrarily fixed without any legal or mathematical basis. The amount to an unjust immortal enrichment of the government banks at the cost of the pensioners, senior citizens. This affects all the retirees irrespective of the rank level of the pensioner. What right justification has the banks government got to overcharge the pensioners and recover even a penny more than what it has paid, as is evident from the following pensioner presentation. Number A, the main reason projected by the government for excess recovery is the mortality risk factor, as the balance recovery is waived in case of death. The hard fact remains that committed pension is likely any other advance loan on which the bank charges interest 4.75%. Banks are continuously recovering committed amount of for 15 years, though it recovers full amount with interest in 9 years and 10 months. B, in this connection, following extract of the Honorable Supreme Court judgment dated 9th December 86, Common Cause versus UOI writ petition number 3958 to 61 of 83 under Article 32 of the Constitution of India is relevant. In dealing with a matter of this nature, it is not appropriate to be guided by the example of life insurance. Equally unjust it would be to adopt the interest basis. On the other hand, the conclusion should be evolved by relating it to the years of purchase. An addition of 2 years to the period necessary for the recovery of the basis of years of purchase. The judgment has 3 inferences. Number A, no link of the concept of the commutation can be made to life insurance. This demolishes the official stand that an attempt of insurance risk is made into the concept of commutation. Number B, the period of recovery for interest cannot exceed 2 years after the recovery of the principal amount on basis of years of purchase. C, the pursuit of the judgment shown that 15 years is the upper limit, while there is no lower threshold fixed, no bar has been placed by court on its reduction, which can always be done in view of the changed circumstances like higher life expectancy, lower risk factor, revised commutation table, reduced commutation factor, increased interest rates, higher age of retirement, and the change scenario after 4th, 5th and 6th Central Pay Commissions. 5th Central Pay Commission recommendations. 5th Central Pay Commission is in chapter 136 had specifically recommended reduction of the period of recovery to 12 years. The Commission had observed that the committed value of the pension receivable currently by an employee retiring at normal age of 58 years was equal to 10.46 years purchase. It was, however, separately recommended that the age of superannuation be raised from 58 years to 60 years. Consequently, the commutation value in respect of the employee superannuating at the age of 60 years and committing a portion of pension within a period of 1 year would be equal to 9.81 years purchase, after adding thereto a further period of 2 years of recovery of interest. In terms of the observation of the Supreme Court, it was felt reasonable to recommend the restoration of the commuted pension of after 12 years. D, the justification given by the government for excess recovery is twofold. Number one, convenience of lump sum payment of the pensioners and monthly risk factor. Our comments on justification given by the government for excess recovery. Number one, convenience of lump sum payment to pensioners. The provision was formulated in 1995 when the interest on deposits were very high. Thereafter, the interest rates have fallen drastically, and the present interest on deposits is nearly half of the interest rate prevailed during that time. That period, pushing the retired employees into a very miserable and pathetic financial condition. Commutation of pension in the present scenario will be a great loss to the retirees due to the fall in interest rates, depreciation in the value of money, escalation is cost of living, ever increasing medical expenses, etc. The retirees are finding it very difficult to make both ends meet. It is needless to say that the provision of 15 years period for restoration of full pension formulated 29 years ago deserves a positive review in the light of the present economic scenario. Number two, mortality risk factor. It is almost 38 years since the SC judgment was delivered. While much water has flown down the Ganges since then, several factors and circumstances which were relied upon by the apex court have undergone a sea change as elaborated in the analysis below. A. In 1986, when the Supreme Court judgment was delivered, life expectancy in India was only 57 years, while the retirement age was higher than this 58 years. In 38 years after the judgment, there is a sharp upsurge in life expectancy and retirement age is 60 years. This has reduced the projected risk factor of non-recovery and waiver due to premature mortality to almost zero. This factor alone demolishes the government's constant bogey of mortality risk factor. B. Even if a pensioner dies at the average life expectancy age and the unrecovered committed amount stands waived off, the government bank is not a loser at all. The reason is that the family pension, which remains 100% only up to 7 years after retirement, that is up to the deceased presumed age of 67 years, is reduced thereafter by 40 after the death of the pensioner. This drop is more than the current committed portion, which is 33 of the basic pension. Thus, the change scenario, virtually no risk factor exists. See the following paragraphs. We will mathematically and legally prove how the pensions are being fleeced. The calculation made on the basis of one particular prey, the only illustrative but the principal method applies equally to all ranks, leading to exactly similar results. Number 1, as per pension regulations, the commutation factor CF is 9.81 at the age of 60 years. The rate of interest is 4.75% per annum. Commutation allowed is 1/3 of the basic pay. Number 2, the basic pension of Mr. X, who superannuated at the top of his pay scales at the rate of 24,140, was fixed 12,070, and he got pension of 8047 after commutation with deduction of 40 per month. The principal amount of commutation 3,78,162 on the basis of 66 years age. Although retired in 2003 and commutation amount was given in 2009, was fully recovered in 7.85 years and interest in 2 years, that is total 9.85 years as per Supreme Court judgment quoted above. Thus, Mr. X will ask to pay 180 minus 118 is equal to 62 months into 4023 is equal to 2,49,426 more. On the basis of the above calculation, it is not justified on the part of government banks to continue the recovery even after the recovering the entire principal amount as well as interest thereon. Number E, state government of Gujarat has already restored the committed value of pension after 13 years. Number F, on 31st May 24, the Honorable High Court of Punjab Haryana in case of Chandra Mohan Tandon and others versus Union Bank of India and another has stayed further recovery, stating as under, while we have passed the same said interim order in several cases raising the respondents from making any recovery, it is clarified that the same would be a direction in case where the concerned petitioner has completed 10 years of retirement or above. In view of the above calculation, Supreme Court observation, High Court order, and we request you to kindly review earlier decision and restore full amount of pension after 10 years. Thanking you. Sokharan Prasad Singh, Joint Convener and Central General Secretary AIPNBRA, Mr. M.R. गोचवाल, जॉइंट कन्वीनर एंड जनरल सेक्रेटरी AIPNBROA। तो इन्होंने जॉइंटली लिखा लेटर और कॉपी करिए इन्होंने CC2 सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, बैंकिंग डिवीज़न, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन एंड नेसेसरी एक्शन। तो ये है, इन्होंने लिखा, बहुत अच्छा लेटर है। तो हम भी इसको लेटर को लिखेंगे, और लोगों को भी लिखना चाहिए, और आईवा पार्क या दूसरे लोगों को भी ये लेटर लिखना चाहिए। धन्यवाद साथियों। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम। आर के त्यागी। 8588898205। किसी भी रेसिप्रोकल सहयोग के लिए दिस वे और दैट वे आप हमें कॉल भी कर सकते हैं, और जो सहयोग आप कर सकते हैं वो भी हमें कर सकते हैं।